I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the super wallpapers which is available in the Redmi Note 10 Pro device. So a few of the users did ask me this kind of question, that whether the Redmi Note 10 Pro has any kind of super wallpapers installed or not. So right now I'll be able to show you friends all the details about the super wallpapers, so which comes along with this phone. The main reason the super wallpapers is only available in the few of the smartphones, for example, which has only Super AMOLED displays. So the reason why it's available in the Super AMOLED display, I'll try to cover right now. So before that, if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, and also do stay tuned for more videos on the upcoming phones like Poco F3 and the Realme GT as well. So definitely I'll do my best to cover all the videos on those phones, so make sure to follow me regularly. The variant which I'm using is the global variant of the Redmi Note 10 Pro, so all the options should be kind of same even in the Indian variant. So this is not my phone, it's my friend phone where I borrowed for only for a couple of days. So let me try to show you friends. So first thing is that you can go to the home screen and long press and go to the wallpapers. Here you do find this kind of option which is called the super wallpapers. So in the super wallpaper section, you do have the three different options to select from: geometry, home, and the red planet, which is a Mars. So these are the three different live wallpapers which you will be getting. So one by one I'll try to show you friends what are the animations you will get along with this wallpapers. So first thing is that let me try to enable this. The reason why Super AMOLED panels only it's available, because if you use the always on display functionality, this also will be replicated over there as well. So let me try to show you how it's replicated. So right now I am doing the normal. As you can see friends, it did come on the always on display. So whatever live wallpaper you're using, it will be definitely reflected on the live always on display as well, as you can see. So that is the reason. So in order to have this kind of functionality, the phone should be having Super AMOLED panel display. Only then you will be finding the super wallpapers. So if you doesn't have the IPS like Super AMOLED panels, then definitely you won't be able to see these options. So if you try to unlock, you can see this kind of animation, how it goes when you're trying to close and unlocking and locking. So I did a separate video how we can actually install super wallpapers in the IPS LCD displays. So make sure to check that videos how you can actually do that. So right now you can see friends, let me try to unlock again. So this is the first type of super wallpaper which is available. So let me try to select next, which is the earth wallpaper. As you can see, when you try to scroll down sideways, you can see the moment locking. As you can see small globe rotating. As you can see friends, this is the animation, this is how it looks when you're trying to use this super wallpaper. So now let me try to select the third wallpaper, which is a Mars wallpaper. So applied. So this is one of my favorite wallpaper, which is a Mars one, so which the animation looks completely good and it's really great. As you can see friends, the animation which looks, as you can see, it's the moving mountain like. So it's a advantage friends of using the super live wallpapers. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, and also do follow me regularly for this kind of new and interesting tips and tricks, all the details about this phone. So thank you for watching this video friends, and don't forget to check the links in description, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.